Hi, welcome to Health Talk with Dr. Akram. I am Akram. In this special YouTube edition, we're going to talk about environmental impact, what we do to our environment. Because plastic wasn't invented until the late 19th century and production really only took off around 1950, we have a mere 9.2 billion tons of the stuff to deal with. Of that, more than 6.9 billion tons have become wasted. And of that waste, a staggering 6.3 billion tons never made it to a recycling bin. I work in an NHS hospital in the UK as an anaesthetist. We might operate on 3 to 4 major surgeries a day or about 6 to 8 minor surgeries a day, depending on the operation. It's a norm these days to use almost everything once to keep the safety of our patients, ourselves, and the staff around. But we sometimes are ignorant how much waste we produce for every surgery and every patient. Unfortunately, all of this waste, or most of it, will never reach the recycling centers. Of course, hospital waste is classified as high risk. A small operation like a cystoscopy, looking into the bladder with a small scope, which lasts less than 20 minutes, produces 2 plastic bags full of plastic waste. Most of it consists of wrapping papers. But if you consider a joint replacement surgery, that would produce a staggering 6 bags full of plastic. Most of it will never reach recycling centers. These bags will lay in landfill for at least for another 400 years to decay, or it will never decay. What about supermarket food wrapping? I, as a single person, could easily produce 1 full bag of plastic per week, while my food waste, which goes into compost, is 1/10 of that size. On my search for alternative options against single-use plastic, I stumble upon some great people in the world. One of them is Refill Room, Leigh-on-Sea, Essex, UK.
So we opened the Refill Room 2 years ago actually. It's 2 years tomorrow. And we opened because we wanted to reduce our plastic at home. And it's quite difficult to do unless you've got shops like this locally. And we wanted to eat organic food as well, so hence why we only sell organic foods.
All organic food?
All organic. There's a few things that aren't, but it's probably 95% organic. This is vegan cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah, so this is by a company called Kind & Co, who are based in East London. Really lovely cheese. And then we've got nut butter machines, so you can make your own almond butter and peanut butter.
So you can make your butter?
Yep. So nothing else is added, it's just 100% organic nuts. This is almond butter. And we sell lots of jars as well, but we do get lots of people bringing in their own containers and things in to refill. So yeah, the idea is to reduce single-use plastic.
So this is basically to reduce waste, isn't it?
And waste,
so
yeah.
Plastic,
yeah, absolutely. So no plastic,
organic stuff.
all organic, and to reduce food waste as well. So people can just buy small amounts of things. Some people come in with their measuring cups and just measure out exactly what they need for one recipe. Yeah. And then, like I say, we're passionate about organic. Eating organic foods, it's healthier for you rather than eating food that's been sprayed.
That bit, yeah, okay,
just your hands.
Just your hands, lovely. Okay, so that is just for like.
Thank you. No, this is basically an old way of coming. But we visited a shop in Devon called Earth Food Love.
Devon, where was it in Devon?
In Totnes. So they were the first zero waste shop in the country, so they kind of gave us a bit of a helping hand. So cleaning products, again, organic. Yep, so again they can bring their containers and fill up. And then lots of things like, natural soaps, natural washing up sponges. This is just a plant, it's a loofah plant. So at the end of its life it can just be composted. These are all sustainable bamboo.
Bamboo, right.
Which, if you look after, they'll last for years. We do sell some tins. We kind of started during lockdown actually, and it's sold really well. Bread always gets sold out. That's a local baker who bakes our bread. It goes Saturday morning. And then seeds, beans and pulses. Got rice.
These are rice?
Yes, yeah, lots of different rice. And then pasta. This is actually an artisan pasta made in East London. A really lovely company. Arrives to us in a paper sack. And it's made.
Comes in paper sack?
Comes in paper sack, yeah. Most of our items come in paper sacks. The odd things do come in big plastic sacks, but that's usually because of the oils in nuts, or to keep moisture in the dried foods. But again, one big 25 kilogram sack's better than lots of. These are just made out of pallet woods. We had old pallets that we made those from. Herbs and spices. So apparently,
chilies as well?
Yeah, apparently if you were only to choose one thing to eat organic, it should be herbs and spices, because they really absorb pesticides and things. And then we've just got lots of sustainable Christmas gifts.
Coconut.
Coconut bowls and cups.
Where do you get them? Like they're imported, actually?
Yes, they are imported. Yeah. Some of our things are imported, some things are made in China, but the companies we buy from are very ethical. So they do things like plant trees, help families earn better wages. They're like I say, ethical. And the old razors are brilliant. Loose tea. Again, most tea bags have got plastic in them. But when you start drinking loose tea, the taste is so much better. Yes, yeah.
Have we got green tea?
Yeah, we've got green tea. Fancy Sencha, that's a green tea. And Rosy Lee, that's a green tea with rosebuds in.
Okay. And you got natural Assam tea?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Organic charm. Organic, that's very nice.
This is a nice section. We've got lots of chocolate here.
So
it's raw chocolate, dairy free, so it's good for vegans. And that is from the Raw Chocolate Company. It's very good chocolate.
So do the kids like these chocolates?
They don't mind. The mulberries are quite nice. They're
No
similar to like a chocolate raisin.
Right.
Some children like them.
I think once they get used to the taste.
Exactly, yeah.
And you got white chocolate as well?
No, this is cacao butter.
Cacao butter.
So you can make chocolate with cacao butter, or it's used in things like body lotions and creams and things. The cinnamon spice to them.
So that's so you take a print out and go to the factory. Thank you very much.
We get lots of local products in. So this soap, Evergreen soap, is made in Leigh-on-Sea. Salix Moon, so she again is in Leigh-on-Sea, so they're made in Leigh-on-Sea. Deodorants, all plastic free, all natural ingredients. Bamboo toothbrushes, natural toothpaste.
Bamboo toothbrush. Amazing. And what is this big thing?
So these are body wash, shampoo and conditioner. So it comes into us in big containers that we send back to be reused. Oh, rapeseed oil, that comes from a farm, Duchess Farm in Essex. Well, it's half in Essex, half in Hertfordshire.
Virgin organic coconut oil. Right.
So yeah, that's probably about it in the shop.
Organic balsam vinegar. We have apple cider vinegar as well.
Yes,
organic?
yeah, with the mother.
Oh, okay.
That's our logos. My brother designed our logo. And we've got an online shop as well. So so our online shop, you can either do click and collect, or we do deliveries to the whole of UK
In the
mainland.
fight against single-use plastic and waste, a few heroes I salute. One of them is Refill Room in Leigh-on-Sea in Essex, UK. Their motto is environmental friendly living. Their shop sells mostly organic food grown locally around Essex and in other parts of the UK. Don't forget to watch our full program on healthy living and zero waste on Iron Health Talk with Dr. Akram on Iron TV, Sky Channel 782, Thursday the 14th January 2020 from 20:30 to 21:30, or follow the Health Talk with Dr. Akram YouTube channel. Thank you very much.